How we doing, guys? What tools are we using to have an account that's up $71,000 for the year? What tools are we using to have the highest win record ever recorded on YouTube at 88 wins, 0 losses? I'm going to show you guys exactly the tools we're using today. And then on top of that, just for fun, because obviously we're in the holiday season, I'm going to show you guys our Black Friday sale, which is the biggest sale we've ever ran in the history of our business for indicators. Let's start with this, guys. The biggest indicator that everyone kind of knows Trade Confident for is what's called the top and bottom finder. This is an indicator that a friend of mine coded. He's an incredible engineer. He's actually working on a business that will blow you guys away. It's going to rival some big competitors out there. Anyways, his background is coding, and he coded this indicator for 4 years. And he set out to create a goal. He said, Travis, I want to create an indicator that's the best indicator to ever call tops and bottoms in the market. We use this indicator. I use this indicator personally on this buy signal here, watching whale money flow into the market while the price action was just tanking. I could see whales were buying. We got a buy signal, and we had about a 65% chance of a move up in the market. I personally put $100,000 into crypto right at this area, which is between December 20th and December 23rd of 2022. We timed the bottom perfectly. And I have proof of this I can show you guys on my Coinbase account. What I'm going to do in this quick, short video is explain to you guys the benefits of having each of these indicators. And then at the end, I'm going to give you guys an insanely good discount. Again, we're using this in our membership. We're $71,000 in profit for this year, and we're watching for the next sell signal. The top and bottom finder uses what's called a mathematical equation. It does not use oscillators. These are oscillators down here. Many times your guys' indicators that look to call tops and bottoms will use something like an RSI or a MACD. When the RSI is really overbought to the upside, you get a sell, and when it's really, oversold to the downside, you'll get a B for a buy, okay? The problem with this is that not a lot of times does this take into account divergence and adjust correctly to price action. These indicators are oscillators, and they're great, but the top and bottom finder uses a mathematical equation and does not use oscillators. This is going to sound cheesy to some of you, and I get it, but when you guys see the accuracy of this, I believe we stumbled upon somewhat of a magical formula to predict Bitcoin bottoms and tops. I'll take this a step further by saying that, because I know you guys are like, it's kind of silly. This is the only metric, and guys, we have access to CryptoQuant, Glassnode, Santiment, all those. It's the only indicator out there in crypto that was accurately able to call to the exact month the peak of the last crypto bull market. And the high of all of 2023 before the biggest drop back down, it called that as well. I'm telling you guys, just get your hands on at minimum. I'm going to show you guys like 3 or 4 indicators. At least get the top and bottom finder to help yourself exit in peak values in this bull market we're about to come into. Okay, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm telling you, this stuff is working, and we're proving it with the highest win rate ever recorded on YouTube for our scalping trades. All right, top and bottom finder, snag that. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Let's wrap this video up here and let's get you guys into the good stuff. Price versus while money flow is going to show you guys where the flow of money is headed. So if you guys come out here and you see that the price action is moving down and you see well money flow moving in here, just as I did in Christmas time of 2022, I said, I know that whales are buying because I can see this coming into the market. They're accumulating while price is going down. I'm going to get on the side of whales. I partnered this with a buy signal. I saw down here that we started reaching lower levels on trades in favor. And the lower this goes to long trade zone, the greater chance the market has of turning around and reversing to the upside, just as it did over here. I partnered these two indicators and I use what's called the trades in favor. Now listen to this. This indicator is the first indicator ever coded on TradingView to give you an accurate live percentage update of the percent chance of a drop or a pump in the market. We actually take this indicator, and when you guys buy it, you're going to get 11 indicators with trades in favor. And you're like, well, why in the heck would I have that many? Well, it's to do really fun things like this. We have dashboards that we show our members. We give you guys this indicator so you can put one screen, not have to flip through a bunch of different ones. You create one screen that you set up the weekly, the daily, all the way down to even the 5-minute time frame where you can watch the sentiment of retail traders and institutions on every single large major time frame, and you can see the exact percentage chance of a drop or pump in the market. You take this data, you use multiple time frame confirmation to enter scalping trades or re-enter on low points or sell on high points. The percentage probability of you being accurate goes through the roof if you can watch multiple time frames. Because here's the deal, and I'll give you guys a little secret about this. Your scalpers are going to stick to the hour and the 15-minute time frames. Your day traders are going to stick to the 1 day and the 4 hour, and your swing traders are going to overlap from the weekly to the 1 day. all retail traders, from scalpers to intraday traders to swing traders, are all tracked on one dashboard with one indicator, and it truly is the most accurate indicator. We've put this up against the money flow index, we put it up against the RSI, the MACD, the stochastic. It is the most accurate at calling tops and bottoms with an oscillator with an accurate percentage chance of move up or down. It will blow your guys' mind when you get it on your chart. It's so awesome. Okay, one more indicator I got to show you guys, and then we'll wrap this up and I'll show you how to get the discounts and such like that and how to set them up. It is this. It's called the SR levels. Now, there is not another indicator on TradingView that is able to do this. This is truthfully the first indicator of its kind to be able to have what we call live color changing support and resistance levels. And in order for me to show this to you guys, I'm going to go to the 1 second because this is where it gets really fun. So what it's going to do, it's automatically going to read your price action for you, and it's going to give you guys red and green lines. Red are going to be resistance, green are going to be support. Once this loads here, I'll continue to talk further here. But what's going to happen is the moment that price breaks a support, it automatically turns red to now be what's called a resistance. It is the first indicator ever coded where the price action, when breaking through resistances, the previous resistances automatically turn green to show you guys where the strongest levels of support or resistance are. Watch this up here. As this comes up here on the second time frame, it's going too fast here. Watch them see if it breaks up here again, or if it breaks down here and it closes. You'll see this right there. That turned red, and now it's turning green. Do you see how it's updating live? And on top of that, whenever you guys get a support or resistance printed, it's going to give you the exact price so you know where your take profits are and where your supports are for entry. It is when I saw this, guys, and our team coded this, I was like, come on, like this is what we've been waiting for in the trading community, is to have tools like this that just far surpass what you have to manually do yourself. So when we have tools like this, what it does is it honestly takes out a lot of guessing work and it does it for you. So it makes trading become a little more simpler. And again, I'm not your financial advisor, but truthfully, we have proof that it's helped us become more profitable. So here's the deal. Let me show you guys how to get these indicators. There's a link in the description, and you can click on that. That's fine. Or just go to tradeconfident.io. This is where we run our membership. This is where we call all of our scalping trades out. We keep everything transparent. The indicators work like this. The Black Friday sale is truly the biggest Black Friday sale we have ever ran in the history of this business. Please take advantage of us on these coupon codes. We are going to be upping the prices. In fact, actually, we're going to up this $600 come Black Friday. And the sale ends at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on Black Friday, all right? You guys can get the Indicator Pro Pack, which is going to give you the 11 indicators to create the dashboard. The Breakout Detector, which is what's called our jackpot indicator. I didn't even share with you. Just be surprised when you get it. The color changing support and resistance lines, first indicator coded of its kind on TradingView. Price as well, money flow, and trend dashboard. You guys saw that at the top of my chart over here. TradingView pushed all free accounts to only have 2 indicators, so we did this legally. It's not illegal at all, but we put 6 indicators for you guys into one so you can tell if momentum is heading in a positive or negative direction based off the RSI, the stochastic, the MACD, the 50, the 100, and 200 moving average. Incredibly powerful metric up here, indicator, that shows you guys the sentiment of the market in just one quick screenshot. Very, very powerful. So if you guys want to get into this and you don't want to become a member, that's fine. Use coupon code SAVE100 and we'll give you $100 off. If you guys become a member with Trade Confident, and this is where it gets crazy, we're going to up our membership price, but we're letting everyone get in at $59 a month. And I'm going to teach you guys every single Tuesday and Friday. Today we did a video on Monday of how I'm going to be taking my account up to $1 million profit or 400% profit in this account challenge that we have going on. You guys can follow with me if you want. You'll get every single one of our trade calls, scalping trade calls, and we're going to go live with you guys after Thanksgiving, and we have metrics on our top 20 coins. And a bunch more stuff you guys can see down here and access. Become a member first after this video, real quick, guys, and then access the coupon codes here, because we're going to give you guys, for the $59 a month membership, we're going to give you $250 off the Pro Pack on top of it, okay? And then down here, we're going to give you guys $350 off the top and bottom finder, the most accurate indicator called tops and bottoms. I promise, guys. Put it to the test yourself once you have it. Once you guys have these, you're going to see, I promise you're going to see the chart and be like, okay, I understand the confidence that they're having over there. When you guys get a membership, we're going to give you $600 off. Get a membership, access to coupon codes, and checkout. The last thing, if you guys want to get the Pro Indicator Pack, we're going to honor your guys' investment in that, and we're just going to give you $400 off on a pop-up when you check out with this Pro Pack. I'm going to go through this, and I'm going to show you guys what this looks like so you can be familiar with it. This is our Pro Pack. We host it on Gumroad. all of our indicators are immediately delivered to you because we give you the source codes. Did you guys get that? We are giving you guys the source codes to all the indicators you just saw. Nobody is doing this. Here's the reason we do this. We give them to you guys because if you're willing to put an investment into the indicators, we want you guys to be able to have access to this for the rest of your life. All right? We had a bundle pack which had thousands of sales. We actually literally has almost 4,000 sales on our front page over here. I'll show this to you guys, our bundle pack. I'm going a little bit further in detail, but I'm showing you guys like we've done this for a while. Our Pro Pack down here, we have 9 indicators. This is the Pro Pack we had before. We have almost 4,000 sales on this. We took the best indicators of this and we put it into what we call our Pro Pack of 15 indicators. And that was part of the support and resistance, as well as what we had a trend exhaustion. Now we call it trades in favor. The best indicators we've ever produced is in this Pro Pack. And that's what we're using to have the account growth of $70,000 plus and the win rate of 88 wins and 0 losses. Come over here to this page. All you have to do is click add to cart. Once you click add to cart and you're checking out, you'll get a pop-up and the pop-up will say, do you want to get $400 off the top and bottom finder, which is bigger than our biggest discount on Black Friday. Click yes, check out, and you guys can automatically get the coupon codes and set them up. There is a tutorial video exactly how to set these indicators up, which I put right here. It's called Indicator Setup Tutorial. This is very simple, guys. Click this YouTube video. It will show you what it looks like after you check out to get the source codes. I will show you step by step how to upload them to your TradingView account so you guys can have a chart that looks exactly like mine. And if you have any questions or run into problems, you are going to email me. Promise me you'll email us because we actually like helping you guys. Email us down here. I'll show you guys the email. Once you come down here, pass all the testimonials, people making 9K, 950, 4,300, 2,100, $500, 5,200, 4,300 with the indicators, and it just goes on and on and on. The point of this is email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. Myself, Jake, or Josh will respond to you. Take advantage of this Black Friday sale, guys. Get the tools you need to go into the future of cryptocurrency and look at the profits yourself if this helps some of you. These are profits people are making with our indicators and our membership, and it is truly, I think, changing a lot of people's lives. All right, guys, I'll end this video here. Get the indicators in the description while they're on Black Friday sale. Snag a membership, and you guys will get the biggest discounts possible, and you guys will be able to follow me doing member-only content every Tuesday and Friday in the membership underneath future forecasts up here. And I think we will have probably one of the greatest memberships to give you guys great education of how to make the most money in crypto. God bless you guys. I'll leave you with a pop-up. Everything is in the link of the description of this video, and I pinned it to the first comment. God bless you guys. Email us if you have any questions, and let's keep going here and making money into this crypto bull market. Indicators on Black Friday sale, cheapest we've ever had them. Snag them, guys, and you're really going to enjoy them. All right, God bless, guys. Bye-bye.